What's up, babes? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Angel if you are new here, and welcome back to another video. So this video is going to be a little bit different. This is not a vlog, girl. This is not a usual sit down video. We need to talk, okay? And we are talking all about the vagina. So in today's video, I'm pretty much just going to be sharing with you guys some of my essentials and some things that I use and I love to keep my V, my P, whatever you want to call it, super happy. Because we all know when she's not happy, we ain't happy either, honey. But before we jump into all of that, I wanted to thank Fivona for sponsoring today's video. So if you have not heard of the brand Fivona and are not familiar with the brand, basically they are a brand that specializes pretty much all things V. So they have Yoni steams, they have sitz baths, they have oils, whatever the girls need, okay, for their V, they have it. I'm so excited to try out VSteaming, you guys. There are so many benefits associated with Yoni steaming, such as detoxing. It can help with fertility. It can help with vaginal dryness, headaches, improving your energy. It's a stress relief, and it can also regulate your monthly menstrual cycle. So there are so many benefits, you guys. I literally have it on Google. Like, there's a plethora, honey. There is a bunch of benefits. So I'm super excited to see how this is gonna go and to see how I'm gonna like it. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm starting off with a few candles just to set the tone, unwind, and to relax. So in the meantime, I'm taking a look at the Fivona brand website. So like I said, they are a high quality personal care brand that focuses on a wide range of products such as sitz baths, Yoni steam seats, herbal blends, and mixes for soaking and for steaming. Fivona embraces the ideology of a holistic approach when it comes to mental health, well-being, and just the overall body. So I'm starting off with a medium-sized pot, and I'm bringing some water to a soft boil for about 5 minutes. Then I'm going to pour in 1/4 of the bag's herbs. These are absolutely beautiful. So now I'm going to go ahead and turn off the heat and just let it steep for about 5 minutes. It is so important to remember to test the liquid temperature. If it's too hot, please allow it to cool down. Now that that's done, we are ready to set up the steam seat. So I love this seat because it has the pop-out feature, which is perfect to maximize space for storage. When pouring the liquid into the seat, it is so important to make sure that when you're sitting, none of the liquid is touching your body. We are officially ready for VSteaming. So grab you a towel, a blanket. You pretty much want to have something wrapped around the lower part of your body to help retain moisture. I pretty much just use my robe and use this time to just relax, unwind, and do a little bit more research on Yoni steaming. This session lasted about 10 minutes, and I will say I love how this reacted to my sensitive V. This has some really good ingredients in this Yoni steam, you guys. They have peppermint leaf, rosemary leaf, lavender, raspberry leaf, chamomile, and rose petals. Now that I'm done with my Yoni steam, you guys, I feel really good. Like, I feel refreshed. Like, that was very, very therapeutic for me. I really enjoyed that a lot more than I thought I would. It was a vibe. After I cut the cameras, I cut all the lights off. I had my candle going. It was literally a vibe in here. Like, my V felt so good. I thought that I was gonna have it too hot, but I did. After I poured it, I did kind of let it sit for a little bit because you do not, honey, you don't want that thing too hot, okay? Because she is sensitive. And not to say that anybody else V is not as sensitive as mine is, honey, but she is, I'm extra sensitive, okay, girl? I cannot wait to see my results and just kind of see what the VSteam is actually going to do for me long term, because I know I just used it initially. So I'm super excited to see how this is going to work with my body as far as my menstrual and just pretty much the other benefits that come with VSteaming. So if you tried VSteaming before, you guys, or Yoni steaming, whatever you want to call it, comment down below and let me know your experience. Let me know how that went for you. And just in case you have not tried it, I do have the direct link for Fivona and a coupon code, everything you guys need to shop on their website to try it out for yourself. This was a really nice and relaxing experience. I feel like I really was intuitive with my body and just kind of like relaxing, releasing, and just doing my feminine stuff, period. So let me go ahead and share with you guys some of my other essentials that I enjoy using to help with my overall vaginal health before I head out. So the first item I have to share is just some plain old boric acid, you guys. This has literally been all over the internet, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, you name it. So this is just by the brand Boric Life. I really do enjoy this. It really just helps support your pH balance. It helps to eliminate, or not, I don't want to say eliminate, but it just kind of helps if you were to get like a vaginal yeast infection and even BV. For my girls that have recurrent BV, first of all, leave that man alone, because it's him, not you. That's a whole other conversation though. You never gonna get it again after you take this and leave that man alone. You heard it here first. Get this, insert it at night, and you'll feel like a new woman in the morning, period, okay? The next essential is a prebiotic slash probiotic. So this is actually the CVS Health brand, and it's actually the generic brand for the Refresh Pro B. So this is just a feminine health probiotic. I really do enjoy using this, and this is something that I take by mouth every day along with my multivitamin, and it pretty much just have all the probiotic strands that you need. And this one is actually better than the Pro B brand by Refresh because it has a lot more of the necessary blends that us women need. So probiotic is not only good for your vagina, but it's also good for your overall gut health and just your overall health in general. So I really do enjoy taking these. This just pretty much keeps the vagina nice and healthy. No bacteria, no yeast, none of that. And the last item I have is D-Manos. So if you guys have not heard of D-Manos, D-Manos is pretty much a vitamin or a supplement that helps support and cleanses the bladder. So you get 120 capsules in here, and I really enjoy this. This will cleanse your bladder. It will have you going to the restroom, drink your water. This one is going to be good for my girls that have recurrent UTIs. So if you keep getting UTIs, honey, the doctor keep giving you probiotics, antibiotics. I've been there before. Get you some D-Manos. I ordered this off Amazon, you guys. I also take 2 of these daily. Not consistently as my multivitamin and the probiotic, but I do try to get these in a few times a week, and there will be no more UTIs. I promise you guys. Only if somebody would have put me on. These 3 items, you guys, are literally like my essentials. Like whether I'm taking them on a daily basis or not, I literally have to have these in my arsenal. I need these, you guys, because when she's not happy, honey, you ain't happy, okay? I said it and I'm gonna say it again. The girls that get it, get it. So just to sum everything up, I do have a little bit of a disclaimer. All of these vitamins, these supplements, the Yoni steam, these items should not be used unless you know exactly what the problem is. So basically, go to the doctor and make sure that's what it is before you just start trying out all these different products. Now, if you have recurrent UTIs, yeast infections, BV, you pretty much know those symptoms and you know that's what it is as long as you make sure you get yourself tested, honey. This video is turning into that. Do you hear me? It's turning into that. But health is so important to me, you guys, especially with me having a super sensitive vagina. I take my vaginal health and my overall health very serious, you guys. So make sure you go to the doctor first, sis. And then once they diagnose you, give you antibiotics, then you go out and try these different things and do your own research. So this is not to dismiss you or for you to omit going to the doctor, your gynecologist. This ain't that, okay? Go to the doctor, have a healthy V, and you'll be healthy. And leave that man alone, like I said. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed filming this, and I will see you guys next time. Bye. Mwah.